Today I'm introducing a microelectric linear actuator, the ANT-16. Its most obvious highlight is its compact size, as small as a ballpoint pen. A single actuator can provide up to 100 in a force, with a customizable stroke length within 100 millimeters. It features IP65 waterproof rating, a built-in limit switch, and can optionally include a Hall sensor for high-precision control. Currently, the ANT-16 operates on 12V only. Its installation length in the fully retracted state is 100 millimeters plus S, where S is the stroke length. For example, if the stroke is 50 millimeters, then the actuator's minimum retracted length is 150 millimeters. If the optional built-in Hall feedback is selected, the length needs to be increased by an additional 20 millimeters.